It's Friday, May 4th, 3:06 p.m., 2018. Well, the rain stopped around 1 o'clock, and now we have some wind and some fast moving skies. Real heavy dark clouds still. But I'm hoping around 4 o'clock we might get the 4 o'clock burn off that I always seem to get. I don't know why that does that, whether the sun is closer to the earth or what. If anybody has any ideas on that. The sun at some times seems to cut a path right through these clouds.
But the wind has definitely picked up.
But I have heard some planes flying over, so I don't know. Can't see them. Well, the sun's decided to come out. Fought its way through. 3:13, May 4th, close enough to 4 o'clock. Wow, that was quick. Just didn't seem like. Look at those stretched out clouds. Wow, awesome. That high level that's stressed out, that's way up there. I'm just gonna. Those white, fluffier clouds down below. You usually get rainbow clouds once we start to get some burn off. I'm not sure whether we will or not. Whoop, darn, I keep doing that. I'm gonna switch over to low for looking at the sun here. Whether that makes any difference or not. The sun is bright. Yeah, those stretched out clouds aren't even moving, but those other ones, we got the two levels going here for sure. I'm gonna switch over maybe to Photo Illustrator here for, well, in about 17 seconds. I'm running for a minute.
Just look at these clouds here in this Photo Illustrator. It really shows the extra levels that are up there. It's just one big mat.
Yeah, we might get a little show here now. See what these burn-off clouds look like. With all their colors scorched. And see some more burn-off of it. Hard for me to see through this darn screen. Man, there's a strange sort of haze. It's kind of weird. It all looks blue, but it's a weird shade of blue. Strange. But wow, where did all the sun just pounded it? It's got to be close to 4 o'clock. 3:24. I don't know whether like you can see kind of those strange blue. Just all around now. She's just cleared right up. The last of that cloud. I'll just go over there. Swing by the sun there. The last of that blanket. It's just going flying over there.